ain't hit the canvas, but baby, who you need me?
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am doing this glowy glitter glam makeup tutorial. It's super easy, so let's just go ahead and get started. For foundation, I'm using my Frankie Rose foundation, and this one is in the color Olive, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my entire face. And then I'm gonna be blending everything out with my Sigma Beauty sponge. I like using a sponge better than a brush because a brush leaves me streaky lines, and that's a no-no. But now moving on to concealer, I'm using my Frankie Rose concealer as well, and this one is in the color Chai. And now it's time to blend everything out, but I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have a discount code with Sigma Beauty, so it'll be listed down below. So I haven't used this powder in a while, so I decided to use it today. But this one is the Peach Perfect Translucent Powder by ToFaced, and I'm just going to be setting pretty much my whole entire face. So moving on to bronzing my face, I'm going to be using the Shade+Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be bronzing my face. And the brush I'm using is an angled brush by Dolce. Okay, so for blush, I'm actually going to be using a new one, and this palette is by J.Cat Beauty, and I'm mixing the two bottom left, and I'm going to be applying that on my cheekbones. And the brush I'm using is a dual fiber large powder brush by Dolce as well. And for today's highlight, I'm using a different one as well. This one is by Kylie, and I believe it's called Salted Caramel. I'm not sure. And you guys always ask me what brush I use, and this one is a Morphe M501. So for the eyes, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different, but I'm still going to be keeping it pretty natural, you know. So for the eyes, I'm going to be applying this foiled eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying this with my finger all over my entire eyelid. By the way, this eyeshadow is by J.Cat Beauty. I forgot to mention that. So now moving on, I'm using my bronze palette by Kylie, and I'm using this brown eyeshadow and placing it on the crease. And I'm just going to be blending this with the glitter I applied on my eyelid, and I'm going to be doing the same thing on my other eye. I really like how this look came out. My eyelids look glowy, and it kind of looks wet, but it's not because it's just a foiled eyeshadow, but I just love it and I'm obsessed. So I applied my lashes, but I felt like I needed a little bit more of glitter, so I went ahead and added more on my whole entire eyelid, and it looks a lot better. So for lips today, I'm going to be using my Kylie lip liner, and for the lipstick, I'm using Kimberly by KKW. So to finish everything up, I'm going to spray some hairspray on my hair since my curls didn't stay up today. I don't know why. They were just everywhere and I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But anyways, this look is all complete. I hope you guys loved it. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. I love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh, make sure you give this video a thumbs up.